Hello everyone. Welcome to the full course online. In this video, we are going to cover how to use YouTube Kids on PC. The very first thing you have to do is open a PC browser and search for YouTube Kids. Click on the link. Because we have to create profiles for our kids, and we are managing it, click on I am a parent. That is a welcome screen. And click on Next. The guardian has to enter the year he was born in order to ensure that the kid is not creating a profile for themselves. There is a small video that introduces you to YouTube Kids. After the video completes, click on Next. Now, here the parent has to sign in using a Gmail account. If you don't have a Gmail account and want to create one, I have another video on that, which is given in the description. Follow the instructions, and you will be able to create a Gmail account. Now, click on Sign In. Select the Gmail account you will be using. For YouTube Kids, give the password for the email. And click on Next. Okay, so this is an information page for parents. Read it and click on Next. Create a profile for the first kid. Enter the first name of the kid, his age in years, and then the month in which he or she was born. Select a profile picture. And click on Next. 3 content settings are given for your kid. The first one is for preschool children who are age 4 or under. The second one is for younger children from age 5 to 8. And the third one is for the older one, from age 9 to 12. By default, the older one is selected based on the age we have entered before. Click on Next. On this screen, you can see what the older children can do with YouTube Kids. They can explore additional music, videos about gaming, family vlogs, science and more. If you agree with that, click on Select. On this screen, YouTube is giving you an option of whether you want a search to be turned off or on for your kid. If the search is on, your kid can search for a video, otherwise, if it is off, they will not be able to search for a video. You can turn on and off the search later on, also from the settings. I'm turning on the search, okay. And the profile for Alice is created. If Alice is the only one using YouTube Kids, then you can click on the Next. If you want to add your other child, click on Add Another Profile. Right now, we don't want to add another profile. We can do that later on. Click on Next. There is a small parent feature tour to guide the parents. Click on Done. The profile is ready, and that is the area that is visible to Alice. Alice can view shows and music, explore, and Alice can watch videos related to gaming. If you want to go to the setting area, click on the log icon in the top right corner. You have to enter the right answer. It is to prevent the child from entering the setting area. If the child knows maths and can answer the question, he can also enter the area. The solution is to create a passcode, which we will cover later on in this video. Right now, you can see Alice's profile, which is already created. If you want to change the category, go to the Content Settings area and click on Edit. If you want to turn off the search, you can do so from here. You can see there is a red search icon on the top bar. When we turn off the search, the icon is gone. You can unblock the videos that you have blocked. You can delete this profile. Right now, we want to create another profile. So, give the kid a name. His age in years. Birth month. and click on Next. Select the content setting based on the age group. Let's see what the younger children can do. So, these kids can explore a variety of topics, including songs, cartoons, crafts, and more. Click Select. Turn off the search. And the profile is created. Click on Next. Now, 2 profiles are created, Philip and Alice. Again, go to Settings. Okay, now we want to create a passcode. Go to the Settings area. Go to the Parent Verification section. And create a custom passcode. Enter the passcode. Re-enter the passcode. And click on Submit. And that's it. Now, access the setting area, and they need to give the passcode. If you like the video, click on the subscribe, leave a comment, and share this. Thank you.